The ideal wedding website. It's the one that keeps your guests informed and help them plan schedules and transportation. Includes detailed information and also the events flow of your wedding. What should contain your wedding website? An automated RSVP form. It will not only help to make easier and controlled, but also save you time and effort. Other information that should contain your wedding website, it's definitely your love story, your wedding dates and resort you have chosen, your event details such as type of event, location, time and dress code, your booking window, including room block, dates, due dates to make a room reservation, transfers and insurance, travel information such as documents needed to travel to Mexico, passport, visa if needed, entry form, etc. Also, general information of the resort besides your private events such as restaurants, bars, spa, tours and more. Last but not least, the FAQ section with questions your guests might ask over and over again. Maybe you are asking yourself how to start, but don't worry, our team is happy to provide all this and more for your wedding website.